Guys, this is Maricel and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's video we will be making a Welsh cake, and this recipe calls for custard sugar, and I would like to tell you about the difference between an ordinary granulated sugar and this custard sugar and the powdered sugar. This is the ordinary granulated sugar, guys, and the other one is the custard sugar. Okay, the custard sugar, this custard sugar is finely granulated compared to the ordinary granulated sugar. It's about half grain size of this ordinary granulated sugar, so you can see the difference. This is the custard sugar and this is the ordinary granulated sugar. Okay, so there is another type of sugar which is called the powdered sugar. If you heard of the word icing sugar and confectioner sugar, they are all the same. They are all referring to the powdered sugar. This is the powdered sugar. It is like a cornstarch. You can see it's powder, very fine. So if you heard of icing sugar and confectioner sugar, they are all the same, and it is referring to powdered sugar. So this is usually used in making icing, and they are also used in glazing on top of the cake, this powdered sugar. If you happen to see my video on making a lemon glaze chiffon cake, I'm using what we call the powdered sugar, which is the icing sugar, to glaze on top of my chiffon cake. Okay, so I hope this will help you guys, because before I was also confused because the recipe calls for confectioner sugar. So when I went to the shop, I said to the lady, are you selling confectioner sugar? And the sales lady said, you mean icing sugar? And I said, no, it's a confectioner sugar. It is what it is stated in the recipe. It calls for confectioner sugar. I said, no, they are all the same. Icing sugar and confectioner sugar, they are all the same. Okay, so I hope this helped you guys. This is the ordinary granulated sugar, and this is the custard sugar, which is finely granulated, and this is the powdered sugar, very fine. It's like cornstarch. Okay, for today's video, we will be making a Welsh cake. These are all the ingredients that we needed. Okay guys, we need 2 cups of plain flour, 85 grams of custard sugar, and we need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and we need just a pinch of salt. Okay, we need also 50 grams of lard and 50 grams of butter. Okay, I'm using this lard, 50 grams of lard and 50 grams of butter. So you just cut it into small pieces or cut it into cubes. So this is the one. Okay guys, we will just crumble this one. until we will get the consistency of a short crust pastry, which is crumbly. Okay guys, then we need 50 grams of chopped raisin. Okay guys, we need 1 egg. Okay guys, we need a splash of milk. Okay guys, we need a cookie cutter. We will cut on this. Cut like the size and the thickness as well. One thing is nice about this Welsh cake guys, we don't need an oven to cook this one. Just a frying pan and the medium heat. po ang Welsh cake natin guys. Lalagyan na lang natin ng kunting powdered sugar. Ano po yun guys. Masarap po sa kape. Ito na po ang Welsh cake natin guys. We will try. See? It's really tasty for the coffee, or you have a hot chocolate for breakfast. Ito na po yun guys. Welsh cake natin.